Zoomit helps in architecting, documenting, and analyzing your end-to-end IT infrastructure. That's right, your complete IT landscape. A typical organization contains an ERP system from a major vendor, some additional ERP systems from other vendors that may have come from mergers and acquisitions, some specialized systems to handle specific business processes, a few homegrown systems, some mini Excel applications, and many more. Different pieces of data move between these systems. Business logic is applied on this data at several stages. Depending on the size of your organization, the number of systems may vary from hundreds to thousands. With Zoomit, you can create a very high-level architecture diagram that shows the view from a 30,000-foot height, all the way down to a very low-level design diagram that shows the minute details. Let's create the architecture diagrams on the fly. As you select a system, the design diagram pertaining to it is drawn on the fly. Let's highlight these blocks with icons by hosting type and DR availability. Let's display some text on the blocks. Let's color code the blocks by application type. Let's display some more details about the blocks as callouts. Now, this diagram is a bit crowded for me. I'd like to display a subgraph pertaining to the APO system. This extracts the relevant part of the diagram and shows on a separate tab. Let's look at the inner details of one system. Now you can see the subcomponents of that system. Let's further drill down deeper into one block here. This time, you can see even more details. Like this, you can display information to any level of detail you like. All this information is very useful when you undertake a major IT initiative. Now, let's display the details of data flow between two systems. All this information is taken from the central database. This database can be maintained using a simple Excel sheet. Different people can work on different parts of the big design in a collaborative manner. You can add columns in Excel, and the database design will change dynamically to capture that information. We've just added a column called To Be Upgraded and entered data for all the blocks. Now that column is available for you to analyze in the architecture and perform all other activities like filtering and color-coding the diagram, just like any other flag and documentation you've maintained for the architectural elements. You can also build your architecture using the conventional drag-and-drop method, which is fine-tuned for faster input. You can create a comprehensive and dynamic design diagram in a few minutes. The auto-positioning capability saves lots of time. Complete end-to-end design across all systems in your organization is captured in a central database. The architecture diagram, with the level of detail that you want, is drawn on the fly. Hence, there is a single version of the architecture diagram at any time. With the click of a button, this architecture diagram can be created automatically for major applications, saving you months of work. You can also display complete data flow for any object. In this example, you can see how material information is flowing between two systems. Conventional tools like Visio and PowerPoint only provide static diagrams. Also, how much information can be shown is limited by the page size. You can analyze the architecture by all the flags that you have maintained. What flags you want to maintain is entirely up to you. In this example, you are analyzing the IT systems by their cost of ownership and cost components. And in this example, you can see the number of interfaces where different data elements are moved between two systems. Irrespective of the technology being used in your organization or the complexity and size of the IT initiative, Zoomit will help you in increasing the success rate of your IT projects and reducing the TCO of your IT systems. Starting from the CIO all the way to the developer, everyone in your organization and the business users need Zoomit. All IT projects, including system upgrades, new system implementations, system requirements, system replacements, technology replacements, rollouts to new business units, IT mergers from acquisitions, process optimizations, or any other type, need Zoomit.